this is where we are so far on the Sacramento Coupe. As you can see from below, I have my hydraulic brake and Model B clutch conversion completed. This is the view at ground level. None of it hangs down below the sump of the engine. After a few comments before, I've removed the studs from here, rivets, and replaced them with grade 8.8 bolts, both sides of the cross member. I have also, on bolting through the cross member, there are support tubes to stop it crushing the cross member. And a very substantial plate. This is the top view of the bracket that I made to fit Model A style pedals onto a Model B gearbox. It has here the emergency brake mounts on it. Replaced all of the top gearbox bolts with grade 8.8 studs and made the full bracket out of 5mm plate. Here are the pivots for the brake and the clutch. As you can see, the brake pivots on an original Model A style shaft, original Model A pedal, going to a separate shaft with a tube with levers. Inside here is bronze bushed, and there's a grease nipple on the bottom, so it's fully serviceable. There is a stop here to stop sideways movement. The clutch, as you can see, operates relatively easily. This is a left hand, right hand thread adjuster, so simply turning it one direction will adjust both levers in the opposite direction so that you can set the play in your clutch pedal. It has a support onto the engine mount here, comes down and sits in the middle of the shaft. The shaft is drilled for a grease nipple in the end. Both pedals are original style Model A bushes, so fully greasable, and this is an original Model A style clutch stop. I made that to suit the Model B clutch throw. As also part of the braking system, there is a back stop and a front stop, so that you can adjust where the pedal sits using these two and the adjusting rod here. Whilst we're in the cabin, hopefully you can see that, I used the original Model A steering column and steering box, but turned the column upside down so the lever holes are at the bottom. Don't use the levers because I've got a centrifugal distributor. When you come up to the top, I removed the levers and made this brass collar with a grease nipple to support the top of the steering rod. I also have a Model A original steering wheel that I removed the Bakelite from. Overall, it's getting there. That's engine and gearbox in, clutch and brake pedals function correctly. Next video will be installing my high compression cylinder head that I've started making new high tensile steel cylinder head studs for. Not a perfect video, but it's just to let people know what we do here in Scotland. Have a good day.